2020 Dodge Durango HEMI 57 RT. He brought it in yesterday. Brought his own Black Widow neighbor haters. We put them on. Factory converters there and there. All right. And then he brought it back today. He said it's not loud enough. So guess what we did? Took the resonators off the back there and there. And put him some 5-inch blue tips. Why not? Finish, complete the look. There and there. As you guys can see, there is the 2 resonators that were on it that we cut off, and the measly tiny tips that were on it before that we cut off. That's what it looks like after. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and subscribe. Dodge Durango RT. Go. Much better. Yes. Definitely have to take these off, guys. Again. Here's sound decibels. 117. Again. Again. Back her out. Look at that HEMI breathe. He said he wanted a little bit different, so that's why he did go with the blue tips. Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Durango 2020 RT, Black Widow neighbor haters with 5-inch tips. Much better.